Hello and welcome to your architectural design presentation, Mr. Satya. I'm your host Akash and I'll be walking you through the design that has been presented by our team after understanding your requirements. In this presentation, we'll offer two different options that have been considered based on your requirements, and at the end of the presentation, we hope you make a choice on one of them and let us know for further development. So let's get started. This is the ground floor option number 1. As you can see, 55 feet by 45 feet is the extent of the plot line, with the west, east and north, south cardinal directions marked on the side. Using the eastern entrance with a raised plinth, you enter your home that opens into a wider courtyard. This is 8 feet wide courtyard, and on the right side falls the living area. In this living area, our design team has considered a 3+3/2 seating unit that is comfortable for a large family gathering. On the left hand side falls the kitchen that is including with the dining space. This is an open kitchen layout that allows you to have a nice family gathering with a brief conversation while preparing the food and utilizing the space to the maximum. This is a 6 feet by 12 feet. In the entire presentation, you must understand 6 being the x-axis and 12 being the y-axis. Similarly, all the dimensions labeled are x by y. This is an 8 feet wide passage followed by a bedroom that is 14 feet by 12 feet. It has its own ample storage set, dedicated storage, as well as a small seating arrangement. This is a bay window configuration that has been liked by many of our past customers, and we hope that you enjoy the same or let us know in your response. Followed by a master toilet that has its own dedicated wet zone and dry zone, your vanity counter for your basin, your WC and the bathing unit. In the central courtyard, we have utilized it to have a staircase that leads up to the first floor. Similarly, on the upper side, from the living unit, you have a 14 feet by a 12 feet bedroom space with a similar washroom configuration. It has its own bay window. All are equipped with two-side ventilation system that can be utilized for maximum cross ventilation. On the first floor, using the staircase, we reach up, in which the designer has cleverly partitioned the bedroom 3, which is a 12 by 12 unit, into a 2 in a partition with an 8 feet wide passage for a single unit for your children or guests to use it as an extended bedroom. It has its own bay window as well as a master style suite for your wash basin configuration, for allowing for dry passage as well as your wet zones. Using this, the bedroom 3 has direct access to the terrace, as well as from the common passage the terrace can be utilized. This is the configuration as discussed in the option number 1. Now let's proceed to option number 2. Here things change slightly. As you see, using the entrance on the eastern side, we've used it as a nice common barrier that allows you some privacy from the dining space and leads you into the living unit. It is 15 by 13. And the kitchen is a U section with a parallel counter selection. It has its own hob, sink and fridge. It is 9 feet by 10 feet. It is positioned next to the staircase that is leading up to your first floor. In the dining, which is a double heighted courtyard, it has a passage to your bedroom 2 that is 7 feet by 12 feet, giving a similar bay window configuration, and a master style suite that allows for dry and wet zones, WC and bathing unit. This is a vanity for wash basin. It has its dedicated closet space, allowing you more privacy than the one presented in option number 1. In the bedroom 1, this follows a common toilet that is of a smaller size, 9 feet by 4 feet, but ample enough for any normal user in the home. Leading up to the next floor, that is the first floor from this staircase. Moving up, you can see it is equipped with the bedroom 3 that is 22 feet by 12 feet. Here the interesting configuration they've opted for is allowing you to have a mezzanine floor from the first floor itself that is leading up to another floor above. Here the bedroom 3 is in position with attached toilet that again it has its own dedicated closet and dry and wet zones. From a common area you can access the terrace. In the next, you can see the staircase from the bedroom 3 leads up to a small bedroom 4 slab that can be used for a variety of purposes. So just to review, we have discussed option 1 and 2 for your floor plans of the architectural presentation. We hope you make a choice between the option 1 or 2 and let us know for further development. Thank you and have a good day.